Welcome to MotoZone Official! Today, we explore 7 updated sport touring motorcycles for 2026 that define the future of riding across continents, highways, and mountain roads. One 2026 BMW 1300 RT. The 2026 BMW R1300 RT stands at the top of the luxury sport touring world, continuing BMW's reputation for engineering excellence and rider-focused innovation. Powered by the new 1,335cc boxer engine, the R1300 RT delivers effortless torque and smooth power delivery that feels perfectly tuned for long-distance riding. This motorcycle is designed to eat up miles without fatigue, offering a riding experience that feels calm, confident, and extremely refined. BMW has focused heavily on aerodynamics, rider comfort, and advanced electronics, making the R1300 RT feel more like a high-speed grand tourer than a traditional motorcycle. Whether cruising on the highway or flowing through sweeping corners, the R1300 RT delivers unmatched stability and confidence, proving once again why it remains a benchmark in the sport touring category. Two 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 1100 SX. Moving to a more aggressive personality, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 1100 SX brings unmistakable sport bike DNA into the touring world. This motorcycle is built for riders who want adrenaline without sacrificing practicality. Its powerful inline-4 engine delivers sharp acceleration and thrilling top-end performance, yet remains smooth and predictable during relaxed cruising. The Ninja 1100 SX feels light, responsive, and planted when pushed hard through twisty roads, while still offering a comfortable riding position and effective wind protection for longer journeys. Kawasaki has refined the electronics and ride modes to make the bike adaptable to different riding conditions, allowing it to transform from a sporty canyon weapon into a capable long-distance companion in seconds. Three 2026 Honda CB1000 GT. Honda enters the conversation with the 2026 CB1000 GT, a motorcycle that reflects Honda's philosophy of balance, smoothness, and reliability. The CB1000 GT is designed to feel approachable yet exciting, delivering power in a controlled and refined manner that suits both daily riding and extended touring. Its engine provides strong acceleration without being overwhelming, making it ideal for riders who want performance without aggression. Honda's attention to ergonomics and chassis tuning gives the CB1000 GT a planted, comfortable feel that inspires confidence over long distances. It is a motorcycle that doesn't shout for attention, but instead earns respect through its polished ride quality and everyday usability. Four 2026 Triumph Tiger Sport 800. The 2026 Triumph Tiger Sport 800 brings a different flavor to the sport touring segment, blending athletic road performance with a hint of adventure versatility. Powered by Triumph's charismatic triple engine, this motorcycle delivers a unique blend of torque, smoothness, and responsiveness that feels alive at any speed. The riding position is upright and relaxed, making long hours in the saddle feel natural and effortless. On winding roads, the Tiger Sport 800 feels agile and engaging, while its suspension and chassis setup allow it to handle imperfect surfaces with ease. This motorcycle is ideal for riders who want a sport tourer that can confidently handle a variety of road conditions without losing its sporty edge. Five, 2026 BMW R1300 RS. For riders who want a more performance-oriented touring experience, the 2026 BMW R1300 RS offers a compelling alternative to the RT. Sharing the same powerful boxer engine, the R1300 RS is tuned and styled to emphasize sportiness while retaining long-distance capability. It feels sharper, more direct, and more engaging when riding aggressively, yet remains comfortable enough for extended journeys. The R1300 RS delivers a riding experience that blends high-speed touring stability with sport bike-like handling, making it perfect for riders who prioritize dynamic riding but still want touring practicality. Six, 2026 Suzuki GSX-S 1000 GX. Suzuki surprises many riders with the 2026 GSX-S 1000 GX, a motorcycle that redefines Suzuki's approach to sport touring. Built around a proven performance engine, the GSX-S 1000 GX delivers strong acceleration and a thrilling riding experience while incorporating comfort-focused ergonomics and touring-friendly features. It feels sporty and energetic when pushed, yet relaxed and composed during long highway rides. Suzuki has managed to create a motorcycle that feels modern, versatile, and surprisingly refined, making it one of the most interesting and underrated sport tours of 2026. Seven, 2026 Yamaha Tracer 9. Closing the list is the 2026 Yamaha Tracer 9, a motorcycle that continues to evolve into one of the most well-rounded sport tourers on the market. Its triple-cylinder engine delivers usable torque across the rev range, making it easy and enjoyable to ride in almost any situation. The Tracer 9 feels light and agile in corners while remaining stable and comfortable at highway speeds. Yamaha's focus on rider comfort, advanced electronics, and chassis balance makes this motorcycle an excellent choice for riders who want a single bike that can handle commuting, weekend rides, and long-distance touring with equal confidence.